Well, in a big development and a big claim coming in from the Israeli Defense Forces, they claim that their Air Force has struck and destroyed the aircraft of the former Iranian Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei at Tehran's Mehrabad airport. And this happened overnight, where the IDF says that the plane that had been used by Khamenei and other top Iranian officials to advance military procurement and manage relations with the Axis countries through domestic and international flights. The military adds that the destruction of the strategic asset is a blow to Iran's coordination capabilities with proxy groups and its building of military power and the regime's rehabilitation capabilities. Now, earlier this month, what is being said on part of the IDF that the Air Force struck and destroyed 16 aircrafts at the Mehrabad airport that the military said were used by the Quds force, by also the IRGC's extraterritorial arm, and to ship weapons to the proxy groups. And pictures that have now been coming in, as this is not for the first time, where the Mehrabad airport in suburbs of Tehran has been hit by the Israeli Defense Forces. They have been sharing videos of the same, but this time, according to what the Israeli Air Force says, that they have destroyed the aircraft that was used by Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in Tehran's Mehrabad airport overnight, where the IDF says that the plane that was used by Khamenei and the top Iranian officials to advance military procurement and also to manage relations with the Axis countries through domestic and international flights, well, that plane has ignited in complete flames, as you can see when it comes to the pictures that have now been released on part of the Israeli Defense Forces. What does it mean? Mayank, who's joining us from Israel, will give us, the information as far as when it comes to the strategic planning and precision strikes that are being carried out by part of the IDF. Mayank, the aircraft which was used by the former Iranian Supreme Leader has now been blown up. Mayank, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. So the pictures that have been shared by the IDF, where the Mehrabad airport in Tehran has come under attack.
With the continuous information coming out from the Israel side, that not only have they been penetrating continuously the air pockets of Iran, and have also been pulverizing and hitting the target with impunity, as they had been claiming, both US and Israel, that they had broken down the assessment of air defense from Iran. So having said that, they can easily hit the target there. But if these informations are so public, and Iran knows, in that case, let us logically try to understand this point. So Iran must be understanding that if they will fly anything, it can be quickly hit. And that has been continuously been done by Israel and Iran. So, having made that aircraft is definitely a blow to Iranian capabilities, aviation capabilities.
All right.
But let us understand the kind of destruction which has created on ground. Has it also led to loss of life, or was there any marked VIP who was traveling to those aircraft, or was it just parked on the tarmac of the airport?
Yes. Well, the IDF says that this aircraft, which has now been ignited to flames, was used by the former Iranian leader. And this is a strategic strike that has now been carried out on part of the Israeli Air Force. We'll just, come back to you, Mayank, because what we are getting to know that 2 weeks already has passed. We're already on day 17 of the war that began on the 28th of February when Israel and US jointly launched strikes on multiple locations across Iran, killing senior Iranian officials, including the country's supreme leader. Iran has since responded with missile and drone attacks relentlessly across the region. Let's get you this international report by CGTN.